Alrighty guys, welcome back to Born to Win. I'm glad that you guys are back, and let's get straight into it. I'm not going to be that type of channel where I'm going to be not teaching you what the fuck to do and just be all fluff and bullshit and just hide the truth from you guys and basically be a good entertainer. I'm not trying to do that. I didn't make this channel for clout. I didn't make this channel to get famous. I made this channel to change people's lives. Okay, so in order to change people's life, I have to give you actionable steps for you to take right now, not tomorrow, right now, to get better as a fucking whole and to go provide value to the marketplace and be a fucking boss. Okay, so this is something that I learned on through my entrepreneurial journey, and I'm telling you, what I'm about to teach you guys, and tell you guys right now is going to be so valuable in the fucking marketplace that you guys are going to be, if you guys learn to master this one skill, you guys will figure out exactly, well, I'm going to exactly show you how I made $5,000 in 1 week and how you can make $5,000 this week, today, if you guys implement these actionable steps and go into this type of marketplace where I'm telling you guys to go. Okay, so one thing that I want to let you guys know right now, how is the economy? The economy's bad. A lot of people are saying, hey, I'm losing my job. Hey, like the economy's going down. I can't go out because of the coronavirus. I can't do this. I can't do that. Hey guys, I completely understand. In these hard times, you gotta have the mentality, tough people last. Tough times don't, okay? Tough times don't last, tough people do. One of the greatest athletes of all time, Floyd Mayweather, is best known for saying that. Tough times don't last, tough people do, okay? So, and I completely 100% agree with that, okay guys? So you guys have to stay in a positive mind frame for everyone in your family, and you guys have to understand that you guys need to make money. Before you run out of fucking toilet paper, you guys are gonna run out of money. You're gonna run out of the paper, and you're gonna need that to survive. Right now, you're not feeling it because it's only been a month, around a month or two, whatever the case may be. I honestly don't keep track with all this shit. Essentially, you're gonna need money. You're gonna need money. It's really important, so please listen into this. Like I said, this is what made me $5,000 in 1 week, and how it will make you $5,000, most importantly for you, and any economy. That's the biggest thing, okay? So in any economy, you're gonna be able to make money, okay? The way that I did it is through actually doing something that is unbreakable. It's an unbreakable business, and this is the most valuable person that is in the marketplace right now, and whoever wants to debate that, I'm up for debate. I'm always open to having a conversation, but this is the one thing that I could tell you right now. If you're doing in the marketplace, you're gonna be able to grow, and it doesn't matter what fucking economy it is, okay? So that is sales, okay? Production of producing a result and producing customers on the consistent basis for businesses, okay? So this is what brought me to make $5,000 in 1 week, and to make even $20,000 in 1 month. Okay, so this is what actually I did to implement to actually make my first $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. This is how I did it. I ended up taking up a job, just like you guys if you guys don't know a little bit of background on me and you didn't watch my previous video on the breakdown, I don't come from very much. So my parents told me since I was very little, just like any immigrant family has told you, you have to go to school, right? You have to go to school to make money, or else you're not gonna be shit. And honestly, I didn't listen, okay? So what I ended up doing, I wasn't the brightest student, so I ended up going to community college, signed up for community college. I had already paid for all my classes. I arrived to the classroom, and then I asked the teacher, how much does he make a year? And he told me around 45 to 50 grand. I was like, how am I gonna listen to a man that makes 40 grand? Okay, it just didn't make sense to me, and I just rhymed with accidentally. But with that being said, that wasn't one thing that I knew that wasn't meant for my life, at least. I'm not knocking anyone down that goes the corporate route. You can make a lot of money going to the corporate route, but that just wasn't my cup of tea. I wasn't the type of person to sit down and be able to just like absorb information that you wanted me to learn that wasn't going to help me out in the marketplace, and I didn't feel like that was going to help me out in the long run, okay? So not to get sidetracked, why is this the most indestructible thing that you could do right now in the marketplace? Why? Number one reason. People are always gonna need customers and people are gonna get rid of their overhead, okay? So right now in this type of economy, everyone's gonna be contracting instead of expanding. People are getting fired. People, all the big companies are gonna get rid of their overhead. They're gonna get rid of the people that don't bring as much value to them and stop paying salaries. People that are salary based are fucked. It's just that simple. The reason being is because these people aren't going to be able to pay those salaries no more. So who are they cutting off first? The guy that doesn't provide any value other than for what the job that they get paid for a fixed flat rate, when they could pay someone else a lot cheaper to do that same job. So you're very, 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 very replaceable. So that's why salesmen in nowadays in this economy are gonna thrive. Reason being is because they could go up to a supplier, they could go up to any guy that's offering a job and selling cameras, let's just say, just like this Canon G7X. And if I go up to Canon and I'm like, hey, I'll sell your G7Xs, and for every G7X that I sell, I will make $100. Sound good? Okay, fair enough, let's do that. And so they don't pay me unless I sell. They don't pay me, they don't waste overhead on paying me a weekly base, a monthly base, or a 2-week base. It's just that simple. If you don't provide value, you don't make money. You don't work, you don't make money. It's the same way. So that's a great way, and that's the reason why you will thrive in this economy. Learn sales, guys. That sounds super awesome. That sounds like something that I would be into and that I would dive into. That's great, but I don't know what to sell. What do I sell, Louis? Imagine if you guys were selling vitamin C. So this is a product that I use every day, right? So I take my vitamin C. I'm not trying to get sick, so you know, all the Rona shit, beside the point. But essentially, this vitamin C, if this is gonna be a product that I use daily, then I could go up to the supplier. Hey dude, Spring Valley. Hey, what's up, man? So I use your product, and I plan to sell this to my friends, and I feel like I could get a lot of people on board. How does it sound that I make $5 for every bottle that I sell? Would that be fair to you? Let's say the bottle's worth $10 and you're asking for 5, or you're asking for 3 or 4, whatever the case may be. They'll say 100%. I have nothing to lose. I'm not paying you a weekly base. I only pay you for what you sell. In reality, you cost nothing to the company. Who do you think they're gonna choose? The guy that works for free? The guy that works for free and only gets paid for what he sells, or the guy that, whether he produces or not, I have to pay him $1,000 every week? Come on, guys. So salesmen provide value at the end of the day. So that is the biggest thing right there. You guys have to find a supplier. You have to find a product. Find a product that you use every single day. Contact the supplier. That's the second thing. Contact the supplier. If you don't have access to these suppliers, find another fucking product. You will find a product that you could sell. Find something that you're passionate about right now. If you're passionate about selling boxing gloves, I do boxing. Obviously, that's not going to work in today's economy, but let's just use this as an example. If it's a boxing helmet, if I love boxing, I'm going to go sell them. And I'm gonna say, hey, you know what? These usually retail for $125. If I sell one, can you give me 25? Okay, so I have to sell 5 of them to make whatever X amount of dollars, and I could reach my goal. But you get the point, guys. You guys have to provide value into the marketplace, and being a salesman is one of the top ways. And I'm gonna share with you guys. How to get better as a salesman. That's probably gonna be the next video that I'm gonna be diving into. But yeah, that was the most actionable way, guys, to be able to make cash as of right now. Being great pays, guys. Being great at your job pays. And a lot of people in this economy aren't gonna thrive because they were just scrolling around. They were just, oh yeah, like, I didn't know, like, I just got to my fucking desk and sipped on my coffee, whatever the case may be. Fuck that, okay? You're not trying to be that person. You're trying to be the guy that's there early and stays late. That's the only way you're gonna make money. You need to make money, guys. You need to make money. You need to make money, and that's the quickest way that you can make money. If you're in college, you're probably watching this video if you're in college, man. You're in college, go out and make money in the marketplace right now. Be a salesman, man. You have nothing to lose. Your time is being wasted right now. What are you doing? Click off of my video. Let's go. Figure out what your product is. Find the supplier and sell it. there's actionable steps that you could take right now. You could go and figure out how to sell that product just online. You could figure out sales training online. Don't worry about that. And I'm gonna give you guys more sales tips probably tomorrow's. That's tomorrow's video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know, hit me with one of those. Like, share, subscribe, brother. I hope this video gave you a little bit more of a perspective on what to do in today's economy and why being a salesman will be indestructible in this industry. Okay, so you sell whatever the market's selling. Okay, that's it. Okay, if you were selling cars before and all the dealerships are shut down because of the coronavirus, all right, sell something else. It's just like anything else. You're gonna sell, I don't know, pharmaceutical products right now because a lot of people are getting sick. Well then, okay, pharmaceutical products, that's what we're selling. That's what, or we're selling pharmaceutical equipment. Well then, that's what you dive into, okay guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. I wasn't trying to give you guys fluff in this video and give you guys actionable steps that you guys could take today for you guys could get better in the marketplace. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, hit that thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And just remember, you were born to win, guys. You guys make the extraordinary look ordinary. Until next time, guys. I love you guys. Peace.